These are incredibly powerful concepts. You're right that we people should be looking at more generally in how they manage their infrastructure. The challenge that you have on the back of that is, right, you do need a lot of underlying automation to make those things go, right? Immutability is fantastic. Immutability meaning I have an operating system image, or we'll talk about operating systems since we're talking about bare metal. I have an operating system image that's completely locked. If I'm going to change or update that, I'm going to change how I build the whole image. I'm going to produce a new image and I'm going to deploy that image. So I'm not configuring machines. If I need to make updates, I'm resetting the machine and putting a new image of it back into production. We've been helping customers do that pattern for a long time. It's incredibly productive. Our customers who move to what we would call a rack scale architecture, where they're, even going back to something people might think of as old school, like VMware. We have customers who, if they have to patch VMware, they don't patch. They build a new image and they reset their entire rack at a time with the new image. That's an immutable build. They have a new way to build the rack. They design all their processes so that they can replace the whole unit of work and go. And they get that down into like a 20 or 30 minute operation, right? I call it a coffee break reset. They'll use the term repaving. So they rebuild the whole rack and they go. That is a cloud native practice. It's just being applied to bare metal. And the more you line up your workload and your platform capabilities around that, right? That's what Kubernetes expects. The fact that we can deliver it on the back end, that's the key to making all these systems work together much more effectively.